Hi there, it's Carrie, and today I'm going to be doing a kind of chit chat, get ready with me video. I'm kind of just gonna experiment with makeup, talk to y'all. That's kind of the plan. So yeah, this is like the third time I've tried filming this. Noises outside and failed eyeliner have been the true causes of my mistakes, but today, this exact moment, I'm ready to do the eye look, prepared. That's why my eyebrows are already done, because I've already filmed this twice. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow all my socials down below. I am just gonna get into it and try my very hardest to not be perfect, but make entertaining content. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green water spray. Mostly because I've been taking makeup on and off today. That's why my face is so red. I'm not going to be doing a full coverage look. I don't want to take the time in this video to do a base. I think I kind of want to use most of my time. By the way, I'm looking at my mirror. It's just right here. To the eye look. I want to focus on that. Messed up my eyebrow a little bit. Okay. I mean, when have my eyebrows actually looked fantastic? Put a little bit of concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind. Just gonna put some of this underneath my eyes. I'm also going to put some on this really obvious pimple. I am taking some of my Eco powder. I found what it is. It's called Eco Bella powder in Fair. They actually still sell it. I haven't been feeling very good. I've had a nasty canker sore in my mouth for the past couple days, which, by the way, has not been great. So that's been kind of going on, which I'm just putting powder all over my face now to kind of create a somewhat coverage base. And I've also been feeling under the weather, and I think that is allergies mostly. So honestly, filming this video has been a weird experience. Some person decided they wanted to have some cleaning crew take care of their house today on a Wednesday during spring break, which a lot of people don't get off spring break. I have no idea why they decided today was their day to do that. I'm taking a little bit darker powder. This is CoverGirl Simply Powder in 505 Ivory. And I'm just going to use this to kind of give my face a little bit of color. As you can see by the redness of my face, I don't really need powder today. So that's cool. Blush today, so that's great. So I'm not going full coverage today. Anyway, so the point of this conversation is that my day has been freaking weird. There were these people out there and they were shouting and yelling about hammers. How, no, you told me to use the sledgehammer. I would never tell you to use the sledgehammer. I want you to use the regular hammer. I was like, girl, I'm just trying to make a cute, sunsetty eye look. And you guys are over here freaking yelling about your hammers. I was just like, what the actual heck are you doing? Okay, I'm gonna take a tiny bit of my Fenty foundation, just like the tiniest dot, and I'm going to use that to kind of prime my eyelids. I haven't been posting on this channel. I really have no excuse. There are so many days that I had where I could have, done stuff like that, but I usually just chose to play Fortnite, so I really have absolutely no excuse for not posting. My life has been pretty busy. There's been actually drama, which, if you know me, it seems to happen to me even though I don't want it. I'm actually kind of reconnecting with a bunch of friends that haven't been as close to me in a while, and we've been really getting to know each other. And again, because we knew each other, it's just like a reconnection. And I'm kind of glad that's happening. So I'm kind of just using this time, just using this time to find myself and find what this channel needs to be, because I realized that this channel has been like the most strict thing ever. It's like, hey guys, my life is perfect and everything's great, but like, I want to be real. I want to, because you don't watch YouTubers, I mean, like, there are some YouTubers that you watch because their life is like freaking perfect and you're like, dude, that's so fake. But I won't want to be that way. I want to be real. I want to feel like people have a connection with me so that they continue to want to watch my channel. And so I've been kind of trying to be more real, and that's kind of been my goal. I'm just using some of my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. It's kind of been my goal to kind of transform this channel into somewhere people can go and they feel like I'm just a freaking regular 15-year-old girl with acne and high school and trying to get a driver's license, being broke. Like, I don't have that perfect YouTuber life where you get PR packages and money is constantly flowing in and you can buy all the makeup and your makeup collection is absolutely insane. I'm taking my Tarte palette and I'm doing the Flower Child to just kind of get rid of my veiny eyes. Also, if you haven't noticed, I have a ring light, as you can see in the painting. And I also look like I'm in a different room, but it's actually the same room. It's an angle you guys have never seen, and I also recently redid my room with like new furniture and all this stuff. So that was pretty great. Now I'm going to take that same brush in Sweetheart and Smarty Pants, tap that off, and kind of create like a basic crease outline. I'm just going to take some washi tape and tape off my eyes. Probably should have done this earlier, but I never remember. Oh, by the way, I'm going in with burnt orange and sienna, and I'm kind of blending that into the crease. Now I'm going to go into Regal with the other end of this Anastasia brush and work that into, like, kind of deepen the crease with it. I'm sorry, I've been kind of like rambling and not telling you guys what I'm doing. So I did Regal in the crease. Now I'm taking Golden Orchard in my Modern Renaissance palette and I'm putting that on the lid. But I'm glad I've made decisions. I'm glad I've connected with the friend group that I have. I'm glad I've kicked out the friends that I don't longer want or feel are beneficial to my life. Now I'm taking Red Orchard, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I'm working into that outer V. Okay, I'm back, and is it perfect? No, but I'm actually pretty proud. Now we just have a couple last minute steps that my creative juices were feeling like doing, and that is I'm going to take this eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to take this blue in this e.l.f. little like 2-shade palette, and I'm going to apply that under the eye. Then I'm going to take this little brush like this, and I'm going to take Vermeer from the Anastasia palette. I'm going to take my NYX setting spray, give that a little squirt, and then I'm going to apply that to my inner corner. And then I'm going to take, where is it? My edged brush, and then I'm going to stick to the warm tones and use Primavera from that palette, spray that, and use that as the brow color. So like the pink kind of ties the cool and warm tones together, and then the gold really gives your warm tone brow bone a little flare, you know what I mean? Next, I'm going to take my mini Bad Girl Bang mascara by Benefit, and I'm going to apply this just to my bottom lashes. This is like one of my favorite mascaras to use on bottom lashes. And then I'm taking my Pumped Up Colossal Maybelline Mascara Volume Express. This is my absolute favorite everyday glam mascara. I love this stuff. I am going to go put my lashes on. My camera is at 13%, but we are almost done. We have lashes on. Okay, now we have like 2 more steps. First, I'm going to take this e.l.f. highlighting brush. I really want a Morphe one. I actually have one Morphe brush and I still haven't used it because I'm scared to because it's so nice. But I'm going to take, as per usual, Becca highlighter in Pearl. Going to take a tiny bit of that and I'm just going to highlight. Final step is going to be taking the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in, I think it's Embrace. And we're going to be applying this to the lips. It's my most nude color, so I figured I don't want to go with like a red look or a purple lip with this, just kind of a pink, soft, warm tone nude. Now we just need to lock this in. That just sprayed all over my makeup. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. I'm actually really proud with it. I think it looks actually pretty good. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, follow all my socials down below. Follow my dog on Instagram. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.